Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Going Viral with me, of course, Matthew Lani on Channel Major TV. This is a show where we invite the movers and shakers of social media, the trendsetters, and everybody that you have been tweeting about, commenting about, and sharing about. And today we have an awesome, exciting show. But of course, I am not alone. I am joined by my co-host, Fundi.
Hi Matthew, how are you doing today?
Good.
Yes, guys, you are in for a treat. As we are, of course, having one of your favorite TikTokers, TV stars, and so forth. So today, Bantarabaseka, do make sure you stay tuned as we are about to unfold the best out of these two guests we are having in studio. We are, of course, joined by Black Cat and, of course, Tsekeleke at studio today. Black Cat and Tsekeleke, how are you doing today? How have you been doing, guys?
We can't even pretend.
Yeah. Abutitseke, alrighty? So yeah, thank you guys for coming to the show today. It's really an exhilarating experience having you guys today. I know a lot of people want to conversate with you, but today we want you guys to share your side of the story. So please just give me a bit of a background of who's Black Cat and like what's your real name? Black Cat, I know it's not your name. What's your real name and where do you come from? Like just a brief. At school, where did you go to, you know?
Okay, Black Cat girl. And get Marulana Hampatle. Yes, and then you got school, you got primary school. I go to high school. I feel like I see because arts and culture go be known. Yes.
Okay, so now growing up at home, do you have siblings? And, you know, how was the environment at home? Because I can tell you're a very different child. So how was it, you know, having like, being a different child in such a community like Leo Kuleguyo? Like, I just need to understand that.
Yeah, it's a bit challenging, or it was a bit challenging. Because of we are a family of 7.
Oh, okay.
And number 7. 2 girls, 5 boys.
Oh, we're not last born. That's also paso. Yeah.
Yeah, so but then kuhudile sharp neto hore aka hola le mama gaufi azang like a hola le ena gaufi aka hola le ausi aka gaufi go di sekema out full time no. Yeah, and then bang go di seka tsela e street maybe that is all ka jeko ke mo age ke le mo next na ngwana so ne go di sekema out neto re le bona sala ba makatsa ke diketso tsa ka tsa mapona dilo tse bya happen out of nowhere ke no pele ba zoto. And then the one they were like, "Are chicken DNA?" Yeah, but then I never so sharp. I can't say what I know. They're affordable pill. I don't even remember when they get to down. You know, they're affordable pill. Anybody decision, personally, yes.
No, that's beautiful. I'm happy that you actually decided to be different, you know, and being different really unleashed a lot of things in your life, you know. And now also, I could say maybe I might be the only one, or I'm sorry, my Sutu is not that good. So, tell me more. I understand that you guys you're a musician also.
Yes.
And you guys are doing a lot of things. What is it that you do also on the side, and what motivated you to say, okay, nah, I'm not going to be in an office? You understand? I don't want to work as maybe a teacher. I don't want to work as a traffic cop. And you said, nah, entertainment is my space. Because all of a sudden, all of a Sunday, Black Cat. So, like, I'm bambism, say, Hamba Ganjan is Hamba Gupim, Tasakai.
I want to have office work. Henga be choosing the negative time is about the family, like I say.
Yeah.
Career, I got script writing more than the music, so Grata the drama, acting, the movie, as I got to opportunity or got to talent there. Then give me the mogi preacher or guys. I'm a script writer, but I'm a script writer, I'm already been. And then okay, let me try one of the bean. But yes, studio. Give me little things started to change.
Yeah.
And then you never told me when I say, you got to me when I bread on the table, and I got one of below right. You got to go and say they could be this song. Got a script writing, I can get the brackets, man, not to get your heads.
Yeah.
I need to hold no niggas about who will let me now. ke khone ke ya gore nka ipitcha go kae bjang.
So it's true when they say you can't judge a book by its cover.
Yes.
Exactly. So o botitse ke because batho ba bangata ba tseba ba khutse mo TikTok ba tseba leina la gago mara ke batla gore o re ise go morago gore o godile kae life ya gago ha o no gola ene le life e ntseng yang le di challenges tse o no di face ha o no le menyane ke di challenges tse feng.
Nna ke tamile ko station ke tamile ke salo monyane ke tamile go bina mola mo strateng ke salo monyane ke sa bona le ntima ke salo monyane mo
And then skolo otherwise ko skolong khonole yang like le ko skolong onole ngwana o dirang di drama di arts onole active or onole ngwanela o no iphilela o le one fela
ko sekolong gona batho na ba ruta mola la tsena
elizitsa how tse so when o nitse gore vele go dance entertainment entle ke talent ga go ke ntho yona o no e batla
la ke bina ko sekolong so mara ba nko ba ke tsamaya ke botsa ke tsamaya so mara ka sola pele ka tlola sa sekolo se.
Okay, so no release from TikTok lele ya non couple elitse ke le Black Cat relationship ya lona, where did it start and how did it start?
Yeah. Why nagantle.
No, like it's so sad to be to the story because of where I am today.
Yeah.
Na nikili ngwanyane le hore ke trenta ka skomota. I didn't know about the killing. Negative trenta ka skomota and then until nilimawaza I do birthday I invite a birthday high.
Yeah.
I give it like a birthday party nilimawaza ke mo kiranga o wa dance and all that. And then people were giving me attention, taking photos and all of that though. Ha ke fetso nna fatse ke kira ngwana mo ali wana te jaibela go senta like go sena motho mo tlhokometseng and all of that go ke batho a botona le talent mara a hona motho mo fileng tlhoko nna ke emelele ke mo latlhele 50 rand a jaibe too much ke wow indeed he's talented and ne fatse ke mo rekele bjalo so by that day ne ke fasitse so ke botse tshome ya ka ke tshome ya ka bona we can afford to lose abuto and ke fasitse boyfriend e ntse bya wow so me ka sure go tsa namba tsa abuto re tla ilukisa ka nnete tshome ya ka tse namba fo tsa abuto no and then batho mo fonela no ka re ba jola so tshome ya ka cause of us line ya high I fell up below I tika over sis now I can't do this anymore and then ka tika over ka thoma ka mo fonela sharp mamela o mo kae arai ke sharp ratho mo fonela almost every day ne until I go podcasting engwe ya ka si lifestyle aba go tsama ka si lifestyle rena ke jola le mosadi ya skomota ba mfone go ka se lifestyle ka video call ka re mo nna wa ka ba ra ke nnete la jola ka re ba re khopela podcast and then ka tla ba podcast after that podcast ka re since ke sala gaufi a re nne fa se re strategize ke mo tsa o so ha nne o ke re baby le o so ha o botlhale a re tsame re bula di bank already ke bona there's a talent here and then we're going to make money ra tsamara yo bula di bank I fetso bula di bank ra bula le stokvel tsa FNB and everything ke re no sa ba ka nga ra go ke re 200 fela mo strateng and then go gola le saswa go ke re tse di tlogela re tshata nnete ben ka mulela di bank and everything ra thoma go beya chelete like hanyana until it clear 40k ke mo ile gore also a high neo but thoma go lo ola re botsile ena bank remember literally tsele di thoma neta a re ka se kire 40k le ka se ntse ene lo tse bya so maraelwela until re kire then ya ba gore re tswela pele ebile ka khopela malinga ka re malinga cause of salwa bere ka tsa ke khale khopela o go philome tsa keleke are Black Cat nna nga tlhole ke sa khona like there's too much ditori family ya gago ka se wa khona batho bawo ka re malinga ke khopela do it for me he boya a malinga ang ignoranya na mara jigijigi a boya and then a boya a take over until today.
It's a very touching story, I must say. And also, like, I need to give you a flowers while you're still here. It's not every lady angapagama ame phamgo ischaba ati this is my person when everyone else feels ashamed to say this is a friend to me, or just knowing them. So I think you deserve your flowers right now to say you're really a good person, and may God bless you even further. Also, just to gel into the conversation and be comfortable in it, I want us to focus more on I know there's a lot that's happening on social media as well. Sima had said stuff about you guys, and Dr. Malinga on the other side, he's busy saying things about you guys. He's posting videos online saying that usiza buying clothes, and groceries. And now I just need to understand, is it true that Mr. Malinga is assisting Tsekeleke with everything that has to do with his life?
Okay, but Tsekeleke re batla go tseba gore Dr. Malinga, so I kry mo social media ring Dr. Malinga o postile di video a bua dilo tsa gore ke ne a go rekelang diaparo, ke na thusang family ya gago ka dijo, a ba rekela everything, you understand? So as wena o le motho a ditaba a ke nnete yone ntho eo?
Asennete Malinga o thomile pele a ndakela diaparo tsa go Mr. Price tsa shipa. So mserekela ndaketse diaparo tsa tuya le tse ke diaparo tse ke reketse ke mosadi yaka bo di phone ke access di TikTok access di WhatsApp. So ke na ndaketse di phone nyenye di kolo le ke na ndaketse Malinga ra zanga ndrekela ndaketse diaparo tsa shipa fela andakela le silia andakela le mpeto andakela le wardrobe fela ke tsona tsa di rekile na Malinga.
So gore Malinga a be manager a gago go tlile yang? Okay, so I agree. You said gore before you called Malinga and said to Malinga gore please be Tsekeleke's manager again, he was a manager before, or he knew him before?
He knew him before.
So
and they worked together before.
So okay, so because when le Dr. Malinga le ne berekisana before,
before.
So gore relationship ya ngena before gore e endile jwang, and khale a le motho o sona or ke gona tshumulang no?
Nala botomo so o phile mpondo no tetse tšhelete a tse ke le swara so
mara gore khale wena le Malinga le ga go ntshitse keng la mathomo
la mathomo before
ke ba ke ba re Malinga ba nrope nye ka pinela ba rola le none mali o fa tšhelete nya
mara pele ana sa go rope
non-ropa.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now what I need to understand also from you, Black Cat, there's this 100K story that's moving around. Can you broaden the horizons, maybe, or understand this? What's happening with this 100K? Is it from Dr. Malinga trying to be a philanthropist, helping around, or helping his friend? Or is it maybe Chelete Etswanko donations? Or like, what's the story behind that?
Because
how he's putting it, it's like he's the one doing it. So we just need to understand, because Tsekeleke, Abuti Tsekeleke is now saying Mr. Malinga has never bought in him things that he was actually happy for and comfortable for. Yes, he appreciates everything that was there. He knows and recognizes. So can I please understand the 100K part? Because it seems like he's the father of the nation. He has chalete, he's giving. Like, can you understand, like, understand the right thing?
Ona le gigi ya makhatsi go stadium. So ka tlhana na motho a re monare Tsekeleke tlo fa 100 dona e ene nka mo fa account Malinga ra se ka tsa account ya Tsekeleke nna ke tlo romela account ya ka.
How? Iso?
So nna ke mo fa account. So
motho o thomile a lata wena
ra thomile a lata nna ke tlo go fa tšhelete eo ke tlo sendela yona ke re gopela account ya Tsekeleke ke mo fa account Malinga hana ka account ya ka mo fa account ya Malinga mo fa account.
So Dr. Malinga, the motho o tlile ko we motho o wanted to give you money to as like a person that they love, which is 100K. Then Mr. Malinga said, don't take Tsekeleke's account number, take my number. I am going to transfer it to Tsekeleke. Now, did you get the 100K? Did he transfer?
O confirmile motho ana re tlo fa 100K o confirmile mo gona hore ke rumetse 100K mo go Malinga.
o romeletse ko Malinga nna re makala Malinga o romeletse 10,000
Thiba.
a romela le mosadi ka 10,000
So from 100K really feel 10,000
na mosadi yaka
le a tseba hore 80K e etsagetseng ka yona
o rekile mphato tse kae ko gae ko o rekile tse 4 ne ya re ka mphato tse 4 a fetsa mo 1 papa ka ra ena o nyake mphato ra fa malomaka.
So you know ha motho ana go before even ke botsa potso so like lena o surprised gore motho na ana batla dinomoro tsa ga o botitseke and then Malinga a ba re tsa di account number tsaka so when you never knew that
ke thomo utlwe no because of nna a ke mai ba ke nne ke influencer a zanga ke ra le nako le rena le tsekele ke re ka ena taba e go bona like ke magetse gore taba e tlile bjang nna the only thing e ke itseng ke fonetse ke Prophet Sam a re blackhead how a le sampotsa le kry 100K wa
ke ne motho o rometseng
ke yo mongwe o le ena nna rata re fa 20K a re we are blessed so a le sampotsa le kry 100K bathong tšhomo tsaka ke re o tšhome ka na ke next 100K wa a re go na le 100K ka fonela baby a re ba mfile 1,000 ba re 100K ba tla ikenya ka botsa Malinga ra re ka se bolela ka yona e se reflect re tla bolela ka yena e reflectile ka re tabe a ke tshepi ka re la Prophet Sam ka re kenya mohlala o a fileng baby tšhelete mo kholong a mo kenya kholong mohlala bolela ra o ka nnete ke filetse ke 100K mara ke sentile go dilo tsa ga Malinga e tla tsena ka bošigo because of ke Standard Bank ka ga go sharp the following day nna ke magala fela monna ka reno kry-ile 10K wa and then ha re kry-ile 10K a re itse ke re gore Malinga o planning ka tšhelete eo le nna ke kenela ke 10K ke a mmotsisa Malinga ha ona 10K wa ke kry-a 10K ke irileng ke berekile kae like I don't even deserve it a re no o berekile Black Cat wa bereka wena o botsa wa bereka ke berekile kae Malinga wena wa bereka ke ditholele tšhomo ya kobo ke tsomo yone mara e tomo njore Malinga pile mo o zama go silencer go di mo 100K umfa 10K ke reng ka 10K because of tšhelete o santse go tsekeleke e be ena tsa 10K 100K a di settle family ya gore ba ira bja ka yona and then ke itse ke botsisa question e ba re tsekeleke is not mentally fit gore a ka berekisa 100K
from who were you getting that answer that he's not mentally fit
from yena
Malinga also yena se le dokotela wa ngcondo mara le ke doctor
but he was mentally fit to sign contract ga gona
exactly
2 pages ya ngwala ka 32 ya ngwala ka sekgowa so he was mentally fit to sign that contract and then ibe gore re sabela re tsueke batho ba social media ba Black Cat ka selo 100,000 tsa keleke ke le mena ke re jela 10,000 ibe le gore ba le Malinga le ka se motho Black Cat and all of that ai bang gore go tlheso tsa keleke every time ntsa video ba re gana yak ga o tsebile taba 100K Black Cat o je chatsa tsa keleke o tsa di gift Black Cat o je le milwana tsa keleke tsa TikTok ai bampitse ba re Black Cat ka nte o khomotse ka tšhelete tsa keleke why o thotse ke re ka so itse ke nne le ena motho a gomola o molato a bolela o molato ntho ka le botsa Malinga o le re o na le diplan tsa tšhelete e and then nna ke bolele ke re ba ra wenye ke re nka le ke sa nya ke na a itle mo nna ke tikele Dubai mara Malinga o rona di plans tsa gore o tlo wa gan everything and then here I'm feeling myself irresponsible ke tlo to buy Malinga o na di plans o tshwere ke bontsha gore Malinga o tlo berekisa responsible so ka re if Malinga chance Malinga e fitla re ya ona ga no roma ngwena o ina ka 100 o ga le matsolo re vele ke ina ka nna kwa Dubai o re wa ina ka 100 o ka sekeriye ka se bona ele le ka mpolaya ke le fala bana baka ya bana mbaka ka se 100K eo ka re bana nta tola le nna le guys ko social media no sentse ka ra ya ke nyaki and then I made the joke nna guys never ka ikela Dubai mara Malinga ona di plans for yona a re mo feng date we went to the date because of right now nana event no re go venda dilo tse bjang
exactly
a re bile mpela di date umpela di date tsa gore santse ke ibile di sending tšhelete o ka se ikeriye yo a thoma rona tse ke le bona gona re selo mangwena bembe ya ba di
back and forth
and then again ke amagala batho ba mo social media ba thoma ba re Black Cat ke an influencer tse ke leke Malinga wa repost Black Cat influencer Malinga wa repost I'm like oh so le yena o nagana gore ke nna ke romantse ke le ke all of that ga o se nna ke setlela mo ke busy ke defenda motho ke lo mfetšhantse nna ke setlela nna ke ya Dubai and then ke mme go loka at the end of the day eno re posta mo nna ba re ke influencer tse ke mo motse sore ke mam influencer guys motse seng
abutitseki
it's the putsetseng like in everything it's like I run it's like is scripted or the one when tlhela ka teng o khona tshwara script sa 1 hour tse ke leke a bolele so ntho mo lengwe wa bolele e mika since ke black cat wa tlhaloganya and then there was a time where by ne re lwa le Neo the time re lwa le Neo Neo le ena na le convinced gore nna le Malinga re tse ke leke a moroge mara Malinga o sho gore nna le ena azang ra ira ntwe ba mara ka tsheko o nyaka go believe gore nna personally ke influence tse ke leke mara back then azanga dumele gore nna le nna re influence tse ke leke le kwa tlhaloganya mara what I'm trying to say so ibao
so which means re tla re Dr. Malinga ke re tla reng Gotman Malinga but I see collab. So I understand with everything that you've like broadened right now. So nna ke batla go understand mo hore how do you I understand hore batho go social media ba bua ke they say stuff to you. How do you handle the comments that come in? Because I understand ukuthi khona ama comments lawa zothi mawafika sometimes you're like ayisuka lo akahamba yozibona unenkinga zakhe naye. But there's comments sometimes that come in and hit deeper. So I just want to understand how do you handle comments, more especially the comments that say you are influencing Abutitseki, the comments that are saying you want to eat Imaliga Abutitseki, the comments that are saying you are making him your money machine. I need to understand that part. How do you actually deal with that one before we go to the one actually that Sima said about you? Because I still need to go deeper just a bit to understand our swag.
I'm not having any comment so yes they hit hard but then ke botsa gore ba phela maphelo ditoro tsa bona ka go kena social media wa rwana the minute o fetsa go ngwala gore black cat o iretse ke le ke money machine o itswa mo TikTok o fisa na le mathata a go gore mwana ana dieta o fisa le mathata a gore boyfriend o tlhile mabana o fisa le mathata a gore monna ga o krelo jola wa tlhaloganya o fisa le mathata a go a bogadi ba hao ya gore a ba go nyake go boganya wa tlhaloganya and then o te console ka nna mo TikTok so I always know gore these people ba go bula ge le ba bantši ga ali wana tla ka le nna mo tsileng wa tshega ba smile ba tse photo le nna o ya go and then I always say as long as comment ya go is affect bank balance ya go ahead o phela private toro tsa hao le nna ke phela private toro tsa ka ke mo ke leng ke private toro tsa ka as long as isa kene ka ga bank balance ya ka le di na ang khathatsa ikre different ka ra pelo ya ka wa bo ne to gore Malinga wa itse mmagadi itsene Malinga like old enough for the assistant adira imagine like Nelena we were working together Malinga zanka moro mo social media I just said gore naturally dela o mohlala ke bone video eri tse ke leke go fa 100,000 o iranka yona azanga e bona eri Lingas Entertainment lo irela ntse ke leke ka chelete nna no ke lo ntsholo ke bone mo video wa Malinga be no thoma gore tse ke leke ka bone black cat a rata tikena kae exactly black cat o berekisa black cat bilao wa pela ga bana black cat bila roba le wena go ka setlela a go ya black cat ke motho tsa sokola a tsama mo tseleng a tsama robala mo metseng black cat like ke motho tsa batho ba mo rejecta ka mo reject hola nna ka motseya o torole dithathunyana tse dingwe tsa go sutlwa gale le go thanisha le bitso la go bantlhaloganya black cat ke le reject black cat na robola go mne le mawaza sina manna nteng black cat ne bile ke tshabelo mmatamela go so ke tla re ke mmatamela a tlhobola diapara re o nya go ripa and then ga botse ke le ka fitla a black cat ka baroka moraga re yo ke tsaba loya o tla bua matlhotsi diapara ke nya go morei le go nthaloganya and then I keep on asking myself for ka age ya gare dilo tse a di bolelang ka nna azanga we even a single word ka negative why am bolela so like motho mo go like why Malinga the days we by ba mpatla le ena one on one ke ba botsa guys I respected Malinga from day one until today so a ke tlo rogana le ena ka jeko ke khopela gore le ntlogeleng ke maintain respect ya ka towards mara yena azanya mo stop o tsola pele a botse tsekele ka re ska mpotsa ka bana ba ka wena bana ba ka ba bana ba ka ba namela di-steps ba yo thuba plasma bana ba ka
plasma ya 100k like a 80 phela ke re
a bile se 100 ya donation e la tax batho ba le ba mo donate
Ya donation ya tax.
bana ba bona ba namele di-steps bana ba hae ba fetsa pholoni ka tsatsi le one bana ba hae ba tsa phone ba latlhela ka swimming pool bona ba le ba mo donatetseng a ba na le di-swimming pool ka metseng ya bona like Malinga o tlile taste of donation so o ka re se le mo o bona donation o ka re ya phedisa o bonela tšhelete yaka wa tlhaloganya that is why setse apply ka donation vele
so gore o kry-le donation ya SARS
ba mo donatetse
and then aba reka di-french bana
so o na le NGO and then more NGO ena o kry-a tšhelete from government basically
I just don't know ka dilo tseo
so then motho o a na le file 100k ha bona all of this ya gore o botitse ke ba mfile 10 wena 10 the rest ke ntwa a lile ko mothong o wa le bo mmotsa gore entleke wa bona tšhelete 100k we rometse and then Malinga bona ke o dirang ene as owner ya tšhelete eo ana e file a botitse ke gore a ke ha bua gore di condition o mo relela gore ke batla go so a ring ene buto
Abuto as motho o ratang social media and then a re batlo ba re mo diraka ke ntate lo o tlhompheile too much is chaving and then ka se re mo founela who are we to call him the only thing that I know if ka nete ne le tsheme Malinga and then a botse re tšhelete a ya ga botsekeleke Malinga na tlo mo founela a record or mo founela on live a re provela gore he is a proof tšhelete ba a ya ga botsekeleke according to what you mean ka teng mara for so long go sena that thing gore re lena le ntatola a di sa tsamabila because of as agreement ya bona and no e treka le bitso la ntatola ba mo tsore a hlola taba tšhelete a batlo dikeng yena ha ite ma o kgathile o ile tsekele ka go fa tšhelete o irang ka yona tsa gore Malinga no re wa gela botsekele because of no re kile mepeto papa tsekele ka reject mepeto ask yourself for why o ka kena ka motsong o mongwe o ba decide la gore o ba irela and then ntate a reject mepeto e mina eng wena o lena eng it's like wena o ba ira di decision what if ntate wena sa batle mepeto okay o na le problem ya roofing
exactly
o na le problem ma magundwane ka montlong magundwane a tlo ja mpeto roof mpula yene tlo nela mpeto mpi wena ba re ke tsembeto why azangwa ba sit down wa re guys okay tšhelete ke ne ke ke nela tsekele jongo bene ke le butso re ka moga ke batlo le thusa re ira byang re thoma kae we re decisions are individual mara ba go reject la a o
so nna a botitse ke from wena ne ke batla o tseba gore e tshwere jwang taba e ya gore 100k ene e filwe wena but you didn't get the amount that was due to you tšhelete e mo tshwanetse gore o ithole e tshwara jwang taba eo ya gore and then abe a le decidela gore o tlo le rekela eng ko ntlong and o batla gore eng ko yena ka ntsho e ya gore a nke tšhelete ya hao a etse mathanda ntho e ratang yena ka tšhelete ya hao o e filweng because this was your gift
ashina ke tla re ma
yeah like do you have anything maybe
the last thing re tlhale kiking a re fa lesent re tla kiking ya hae re thomile ra bina go kiking ya hae a re tla re leboga re tla go kiking ya Mr KG a re fa lesent re tla bina le go Teflopo a re fa sent re tla le go gape kikitse 4 a re botlhaleng a re fa selo le la ya go Makazi a mpha lesent go ka pere bike mo a mpha leselo na go so that's better nne ke no mo tlwela once ka ban ropa Malinga a re tseke a re fa it's better nne ke teng ke le gig na self
tsa hao
tsa ka self ke tswe mo yene ke kgwane le ena le na ile tsa le nne ke ile tsaka
so 80,000
le ke tsa sa mo patelang tsona ne ke tse for ya makhazi mo patetse before gig
Okay.
so azang I bona it's like tlo Malinga ntuze boss wa
Okay, yeah.
gig but tla tla sa after all no go patela gig
Oh,
tsa sa mo
okay.
patelang tsona ke tse for of which they make 8,000 ke re pay gig mo fa 2,000 dira 8,000 so ro 8,000 na re menasa from 10,000 o fletsa ke le 2,000 ka 100,000 because of already the patetse di gigs a
so you know tšhelete the remaining money a re ke 8 le no
are 28 ile SARS or tax somewhere there tax
o 20 so SARS nkile tšhelete
28%
for
so
what
only feel proof
o fa mara no re tsa re are mentally fit re ka bolela rena taba tseo.
So if le se mentally fit go bolela ditaba tsewa le mentally fit go kena mo di-contracting le mentally fit go performa.
Le no arena a tšhelete di half we won
Ke bone when we were watching the video previously before we showed.
so se di monna ka o tla go tlhoka malinga ka tšokumbisa segafi se le rona se berekisa ka tšoko thoma tse ke le kana talent o binela bini one fela a lapa o sainisa lwa motho o tlhoka talent a binela bini one fela a lapa o ntlhaloganye so lutsi dingwe like o thomo iputsisa tsona no.
Yeah.
So when I make you understand that also Dr. Malinga had said stuff about you online. When you didn't have a place to stay, you know, dula ko mitsing ya batho, o topile a o etsa whatever netšhomo. So na ke batla tseba, is it true that when netšhomo kile wa struggle ka ndawo ya o dula ka pleke ya o dula?
Tšhomo ya struggle ka place ya o dula.
Okay, sure.
Ke monna ke etla podcasting ya bini ka fetsa ka gonna ga bo mamogolo ka ga bo undertaker Malinga o nkrile ke nna moe ene le teng gore Malinga a thomotla go rena no jo mo ba after ke mo text a satle o bona trenda a bona re ke opportunity o santso a ska e loser eo Malinga tla go ga bo undertaker na ga bo undertaker go and then a fetsa go fitla ra take dilo over from there and then ka bona is relationship ya ka tsekeleke a ka sla robala go high nga se robala ga tsekeleke papa tsekele go nna di mutsi on and off jikano go is better nna ke o trende cause of never ne ke play ke motho go renda and then ka tsoka di patela police ya ka nna mo Malinga nto pa strategi Malinga tsa ka mo fa le marobalo Malinga bile a itse ka nna gore go fitlhile bjang lo tsa ka fela gore ke be mo ke leng teng nna di mmaka tsa dilo tso ino ba go di anger issues le go tsama gore batho ba bone gore ke le fela o ka re ke le who I am nna I made myself from Scotland that is why ka tsoka zanga sign contract and that is why contract ga se ndike tsekeleke the same signature lo tsekeleke no ka re repeat ka se repeat ile se le mo Malinga
so taba because
I understand so which means what you're trying to tell me signature eco contracting at Dr. Malinga, it might happen that, and I quote from your statement, that as a signature
no what the sign is
again
we test or signature so signature and there was no witness from family right now if the contract there are now a family lawyer I want to upload the meta now a tsekeleke ba di thuba sign
yo
fetsa ma contract o ke twekgila pele
sure must the situation is deeper than what we are seeing online
deep maybe let us face ka yona it's
just too deep
na the only thing imbora gore a tsamantanisha mabitso azange go anything is next ka Malinga wa tlhaloganya and not that gona le tse di tseng gore nna ke tlo ba open go Malinga ka taba tsa ka tsedingwe le ena gona tsedingwe le open ka tsona but then as into premature
when I was wa bua ka ditaba tsa hae who to try and get numbers yes
na I had a manager back then but ke Rastaman Khushu
okay
Rastaman Khushu di tsara khawana pila azange abadi cancel secrets tsa go o pele bya pele Malinga o rekile le kala ba Jasmine o ile tswa ya ba ditshele a bereka le maphodisi ba itse ba khawana ya ba di social media a bereka le bonele mawaza go khawana niu like everywhere at Malinga o santse go lwiwe o ya thola so no na ke potso okay fine maybe ka rena ka ba different I'm not going to say anything bad about Dr. Malinga mara ena ke o bolela ge nna ke re o tla nkata ge nna ke re nna ke ntutse strategi like di tlhaka dilo tseo Malinga like ish tla ba mpolesa too much
so
a bona le ntwela ba re le tshekering ke di wate ke bine ntwe wat a bolele ka yona a be ke bine awards a bolele ka yona
o winne award ya botseki
e ka yona wa tatseng a bolele ka yona e ka mo ba ra wa tebela le shelete
di batho
and we tsuko ka January ka yona
so lona as family le deciding ka relationship ya lona le Malinga essentially manager and if is it tlhole le manager di chelete tse kaofela tse a di tseleng tsa lona a le tlo go di lwanela or re tlo go bataba ya gore o itse keng
a re tswa mo tsona re na le manager rena a re sa bereka le Malinga rena
like family thing o ka re ka botsisa go se ba ga ba ithu 1 or 2 questions in your
yeah
le bona ba khone lotsa seta bona ba ya store
and in studio we are of course joined by Abuti Tsekeleke's sister named Rosina. Also Rosina, how are you doing today?
I'm
Thanks.
No, you are fine. Thank you for allowing us to have like a chat with you. We're very happy that you did actually say yes to coming and answering like a few questions with us. So mina ngizokhuluma kancane isiZulu ngihlanganise futhi ne-English. So into besifuna ukuyi-understanda kahle sisukuthi what is your understanding kwi-relationship eyaba khona phakathi kuka Abuti Tsekeleke no Dr. Malinga? And also we want to understand if also with the 100K stuff, how did it get to you and what's your view about that? Like uzizwa kanjani ngale ndaba yale mali esuke kuyisipho ebisize kubhuti angazange asithole ngendlela ekumele ukuthi asithole ngaso?
Yeah, yona erufise botlhoko tšhelete e leng gore a e kry-a tšhelete ya hae ka mokgwa e leng mpho ya hae cash ka teng. Mara Dr. Malinga o rekile dilo tse e leng gore Tsekeleke na ka se di reke.
Okay.
Tsekeleke na ka se di reke mo file 10,000 Tsekeleke 10,000 eo a re ke re o irileng ka yona. For bolela nnete Malinga o berekile thata. Ba tsone o rekile stofo o ba reketse mempeto kwa hae o ba reketse ditlhogo e leng gore Tsekeleke na ka se di etse dilo tseo ka tšhelete ela.
Now also ka kopa botsa question engwe. What's your understanding and like what's your take on their relationship? Okay, ke batla hore a ke botsa mbotso ona, can you translate into what's your take on the relationship ya Black Cat and Tsekeleke?
Wa bona kry mo social media batho ba bangata ba re Black Cat o dirisa Tsekeleke o mo jela tšhelete what. So lona as family
Le bona jwang ana ke nnete na?
Yona le lore o ja tšhelete ya hae at least le ena mo reketse koloi ya nge. Yeah, le ena o irile something o mo reketse koloi ane le hona ke batho ba ratanang nge. So nanga se re ka itsena thata gore ke batho ba ratana ke monna le mosadi. Mara se nna ke tlo kgopelang Black Cat gore le ena a thuse go haya sta batho gore like ha rekile koloi fela so like le ena tshwantse gore mo tšhelete ka re le no e se khale ba feditse mpontsha gore ya di what ya di phone ba fetso mpontsha ba rometse no ha re tlhaela so ba rometse gore 85,000 ya yona tšhelete ya yona ntho eno ke re le yana at least a re ga ke monna hae ke tšhelete monna hae ke monna wa hae wa o rata neng ngwana kwa o thabile hana le ena o happy so le yana a lebelle situation ya batswadi ba Tsekeleke gore e eme byang a thuse le yana.
So o bua ka taba ya gore go rekile dikoloi, so koloi ya ga Tsekeletse go ragetseng ka yona
e teng ke o na le yona Tsekeleke.
So ke mang I thubileng or I robileng, because according to what we know mo di social media ring batho ba re go rekile dikoloi tse pedi ankere. So one ke GP and then Tsekeleke a ba rekelwa according to batho le khasa la koloi basically. So ke nnete ntwe
yona ke a se le khasa se maratha ne fela ke nyana se type ya hae a se size e leng gore e ka fitang Tsekeleke ke nyane yona yona se le ratha monate pila yona.
So why is that switch? So why asanke etona and then
Black Cat anke e nyane?
Ke nahana re maybe time angere ne le step sa go montsha gore o satla motlhomong o tla ikagala gore a mo rekele e kgolo angere dilo tse dingwe tse he batho ba ntse ba lla ba bolela ba le wena o berekisa tlhaloganyo o tlo nyoko ba o ba bontsha gore le wena ntho e o tla ira.
So wena ka taba back to taba ya ga Dr. Malinga ne. So wa re Dr. Malinga go gae o rekile di stofo dimpeto o thusitse kwa thusante, but then on addition to 100K ha lona le calculator because tšhelete la se ya ga Malinga 100K ke a ga Tsekeleke and a re be honest le motho ana file Tsekeleke ha ba molao a re Tsekeleke tšhelete na ke ya gore o ye go aga go gae ke decision a ga Tsekeleke and if Tsekeleke na decide gore ha batle go aga go gae ke choice ga gangre. So mo go yone 100K ba mo file 10K nkana tla reka pizza ka ya 10K ke taba tsa gage. Black Cat o filwe 10K Black Cat nkana tla reka whatever ya gage ke ya bona. So go setse 80 angre mo 18 Dr. Malinga o rekile store for rekile dimpeto those di rekileng ha lona le di calculate idea yetsa yone 80,000
o file mmathene a reka mempeto e mi 3 4 le ditlhogo tsa teng
a la itse gore
a re
birthday
itse
one ke
mepeto
bokae?
ke bokae mara ke e wavang ya
Good quality bed.
quality ya
Okay.
and then o rekile le stofo sa ka tseno le so reke quality
e shabeng marape malinga a ile family favor ke tšhelete ya donation
That is what we
e
are.
ile gore tšhelete ela tse ke le ke wa tlhaloso gore o itse a re ba e fa yena malinga rawa e kenye mo go nna maybe tse ke le ke nka ba dirile more than dilo tse malinga a dirileng cause of tse ke le ke nka be tšhelete tsenetse ko wena le go ka se be le tax ya 30,000 ya 28% le go ka se be le 10,000 e tlileng ko nna ke sa e berekela nka be tse ke le ke tšhelete e fitlhile kwa felele ko ena 100,000 nka ba dirile way much better ngwana o tere bentse ke le ka tšeko a na license ke worry tore santse e rele license and then a re sana ya source of income re sa stakile rena dilo di eme sa le ke rekile jeep nna jeep e ke tlo e reka ke tladise ke mama ke patetse 50% mama ka ntlhatse
o na le yone
e ke na le
ba
yone
re jipi rekile ke tšheleta ka TikTok
wa ntlhaloganya ke tladise ke mama yo le bile ke biletse mama a sa pele ke fa tlhokofala wa ntlhaloganya and then in a short space of 2 months ka be ke rekela tse ke le ke koloi e wa bo and then koloi ke rekile 50 ko mothong
o rele ka tšhelete eo ya koloi ya
a ke re nna tse ke le ke dira di-tiktok and then he dira di-tiktok gone tšhelete e le gore ya re kenela and then tšhelete ke itse gore ke le nna ya nthusa nna ke nna ke diwa ke patlela rente reka diaparo difounu ya thusa le teng mo
le dira bokae ko TikTok like a re in 1 month
o ka se a ina gore
plus minus nje
Just estimating.
it depend gore o kene bjang if o kene pila o like wa kena straight wa bereka everyday wa bereka everyday wa e dira ma
15,000 rand
o yantlhaloganya if o kene pila le teng go aka gore o kene bjang mane wa ira tšhelete ko TikTok o ya bo mara if le teng a wa bereka or sometimes go khona le o kena ne nna khona ba le 7,000 viewers mara ba ska o gifta but happy and then the ideas we by again like no for example November December za ka kana TikTok ne re ntse re dina le mathata di up and downs and everything so ase ntshele gore o ka rila ya go yona wa ntlhaloganya yeah and then no ko le ke re ke nyetse ke le ke ka 50k ba re chata tse ke le ke from ya di TikTok wa fela ira 85,000 gore a re minus 50k ya koloi o sa sala bokae
from 50,000 from 85,000
go sala
35,000 rand
go sala 35,000
Yes.
and then 35,000 o gore ke yone e re thusitseng go rekang bo di phone dijo and everything and tšhelete e a e kene go tshwana le 100,000 e kena le gone le 500 2 days later e le 1,000 3 days later e kene le 75 rand a gona gore o ka e berekisa ntho e ngolo yo le gore ka e shupa that's the only time o tlo gone berekisa ntho e ngolo ke ge o e banka we bank and somehow you feel okay I'm entitled to thusa family abo tsekeleke and then no one thinks about my family
I was about to ask that question
Like,
to
okay,
say,
bona le mekhukhu.
what do you have to say with what sister
ko
said
gae ke na le ausa ko na le bana le eno sima ka ra machonisa ausa ko na le go lario family abo tsekeleke wa prioritize everything is about tsekeleke nna ge ke mara ba ke tšhelete sa ka gira le tsekeleke a re bira le tsekeleke mara go thusa ga tsekeleke fela rena ka mokgwa wa go sa thusi or re shelo rona ngwana
because there's where you come from le wena
wa ntlhaloganya and then I even ask people on social media guys I'm just a girlfriend of 6 months and then already expecting it too much from me le nna ba bogadi ba nna le ba irela eng like
and in these 6 months you've done a lot, you've even bought a car
exactly wa ntlhaloganya and then na priority ga go santse go thoma ka baby mala baby a le happy go gone re tlo thoma ra lebella ka gae so right now baby o happy o na le koloi ke na le koloi of which koloi ya baby ke re ke under pressure o na le koloi ke na le koloi o na le diaparo ke na le diaparo no ke yona na go re beno re ka gae nna my wish go rekela mama di pizza tsa heart o ya bo ra ka gae okay mama beno cause of na re fedisa ra sana dinyoka tsa ngata ka thusa kae wa ntlhaloganya cause of the whole money ge thomo kena le nna ke le empty ka thoma go rekiwa mepeto di fridge dilo ko rumong yaka le TV le thuda ke na yona mara ke khona jumpa ke re tsidimo important so somehow people should understand that tšhelete a nne ge ke tlo se ke shua ka salary ya motho from January until today tšhelete ya nna a re ji a renwe a re tlhape a re apare a re tlotse yona sa le ntse cause of ke a tsekeleke and then until today santse ke ntshe 85,000 ya from January until today ai bonayo
so kopa go botsa gore
ke rekile ba re tse ba re batho
ba re ke di gift tsa hao
a bo ibuseletsa
le na le diele no mo ma le bo
no it's fine never rekile ke ena nna my relationship I'm still proud gore a ka tsa monna ka ke chama ke series ke chama go tsama ka X5 ke krile monna ke chama gore wa bina wa dipinela kwa ka motse nna lena ra build a foundation ra ba mo re leng ka jeko a ke dule go ntlo monna ka go bereka nna ke a tswa go rekela monna ka roko ka ja makeup artist ka makeup ka ja speaker box ra entertain ba trabina ba re gifta ke nqondo tsa ka tseo wa ntlhaloganya ene go tswa go tsekeleke a go iso go tshwara go jola lwena go na di challenges tšintši tše ile gore ke di kgethile and then ke kemisitse go phela le tsona for the rest of my life mara go santse ke je tšhelete ke thoma go seka a go ne motho sa lantshediša gore Black Cat why o na le rough face mara o na le tšhelete why o sa yo cleaner face priority wa nyone mo
to look pretty
face why you say go cleaner face ga go na le tšhelete Black Cat ga o tsona go le maybe bo dating o phetsa ka eng Black Cat o tlotsa ka eng makeup Black Cat why o sa be se le queen o tsona le banyana ba bangwe Black Cat o sa phelo ke ntse tse bya wa ntlhaloganya Black Cat and then kompetong le shapo Black Cat di approtsa ke le ke di kiragala go ka le ke lo tse bya wa ntlhaloganya all they care about go gore te ranta o dire le tsekele ke e ya kai and tsekele ka sengwana tsekele go khona decide thank you
So nakinali two questions for so number one ha tsekeleke ana sign a contract okay first of all agree Dr. Malinga are obutsekeleke ha mentally fit ya go sign di contract nina as family la renge in terms of that comment
le ona re ya re tshwara pila ka lebaka la gore o ile o sna motho a mo kra a le one a mo signisa a le one ka re o file no contract a re khopelo re o e bale anga ne o ke na tlhalohanyang a balang so a mo zo khopelo re o mphe chance ke sentsane ke e bala yana shiana khukhuna a no mo signisa yo
so ankere after amo signis at some point Dr. Malinga abatla kutlu go jarate
tsere meeting go jarate
ka yone taba e are
awa o no re botso o sainile tsekele ke a pase ngwana o sainile tsekele
a re ba mo fela ngwana re tsekele go ha
o so tsekele ke a sengwana
tsekele ke a sengwana
so ha sa signile contract ya high ali one a sengwana mara ha o tshwantse e signiwe ke ba bangwe with people that are going to assist you
America 100,000
le hand ke mo ke ko 100,000 that's why which means that Khotman Malinga from now on you'll understand what I say when I say Khotman Malinga. Do you know Khotman? I don't want to use that other word because it might be used against me. So realeboga gagolo a uswa ka ukuthi uthatha isikhathi sakho ukwazi ukuthi nawe uzosichazela and be comfortable. By the way umuhle kakhulu mama, I don't want to lie, and also very well spoken.
Thank you.
Umuhle kakhulu mama. So into bengifuna ukuthi ke manje sithi uxoxisana ngayo futhi just like to warm up, you know, the conversation and have fun. I just want to understand ukuthi, and no, it's not really fun. I really would tsekeleke in the house, like udulali tsekeleke, because I've seen videos gore when you took tsekeleke udulali ena kontlong ya how on your room, and then people were saying that when I get on that table tsekeleke wa udulali tsekeleke kontlong ya how
a re ne full time
nako ngwe wa ntšhabela
nako ngwe o tshabela problem
nenge mthibeletse ka gate ke ra se ka tsamaya
wena wa tshaba Black Cat o tshaba eng tshome o tshaba eng
wa tshaba ke tsirwa
ne le gore wa ka monna
a ke mmotse a buti a ntwetse
24/7 o fitšhise mission impossible wa mona sekhwisa o na le monna o ka yena no wa tlhaloganya a e khona ha le lena le bona le batho ba lena ba ka e bona no mara according to but according to wa ka monna ne o santse ke phele lena 24/7 non stop a e khona ha and then if nna ke sa moruti no ka motloetsa no ke tlo ba le problem going forward
but abuti why
maro shile ke lo nna ke tsamaile a ntlhokomele gore ke byang ke
bona ha tsamaile wa
mo tana taba le nna no tsamaile ana taba le next le nna mo shile ke bula ke mo
iseng hore wena abuti o llela taba ya hore batla o dula le yena le ntse le etsa
o batla motho a tla go tlhokomela
Black Cat a beteng hore a o tlhokomele ka le butu la ha
ka lotola
and dintho tse ding because mhlambe o emela sometimes long ka metsi might be a problem.
So why papa ga butsekeleke a ntshitse dimpeto why because we gona le video Dr. Malinga anai okay in the recording ya live so anale live mo TikTok o butsekeleke a dutse hatsi ha kitse if banale go go tsekeleke a busy a moroga a roga tsekeleke gore o ungrateful what in le malenga dirile live so ke anong batho ba recorder by post and then le gore Dr. Malenga ha ya go jarteng o kena ka vruvai
Yeah, papa le ka tabena eo.
what is it?
So hana respect
Oh,
ha ke
really?
What time la pila?
Bo setse ke le ka mo go bala.
O mo kubile.
A re
Wa ro nyatsa motho.
So he's coming with the same mindset that he uses to Tekeleke and he comes with it in the family house.
a ke ra ga botse ke le ka ba kena sekolo bo botle ke masasa.
ke batho
Oh, are
So that
both
is why I kirele o isura o ba.
So he's taking that advantage.
Ka re ka stofo ba thaba HIV. Ka ba fa 10k.
Babes, personally, what do you want to say to Mr. Malinga? Like, I know you don't have anything bad to say.
Tšhelete ke ya donation. Gore ke tabe le ke ya donation. Why asa ba fa chance? Aba fa tšhelete ke family ya botsekeleke.
Exactly.
Tsekeleke a nasina control over 100,000. Ne ba tlo motho tsekeleke tšhelete tsene no rira so. O iriwa bjao. Family ya decide la ba happy.
Maybe there's a question obuze kumama angizange ngimuzwe makayiphendula kahle. Okay, mama ngifuna ukuchaza futhi le ndaba yokuthi so are you satisfied with what you got from the 100k, the 10,000 and the
mpeto
and the
stuff.
tips? Are you satisfied? You don't care about the change?
nna ke thabile maaka pila ka lebaka la gore a nkere ka ba itse nna ko gae gore ba kry-ile ditšhelete tse kanang a zanka go iragala le ntho e pila ko ntlong tšhelete e fedile go sena le selo se se pila o ka se tshepele le nke botsene ko gae no ka se tshepe gore ngwana ko gae nkile a kry-a 40 something tao ya ko TV papa ka nkile a kry-a 100 and something tao ya mmereko a ona le ntho e pila e iragetseng nna ke re Dr. Malenga o irile o berekile a ke gane ke donation a tsekedekene mara Dr. Malenga o irile pila o rekile dilo tse pila no ka se reki o seng ne lo jewa fela so a ke gane ke haine mara ne lo jewa fela so a ke gane mara Dr. Malenga nna ke re o berekile
So a Black Cat. So ke gopola I came across live recording mara gonona le somebody ana go botsa mo live gore you said in your life gore you o tla correct because anke nna ke repeata ntwe mothola na ibu gore wena onore you are against gore go renovate we go botsekeleke because papa ga tsekeleke there are days more wale leleka or wa mo leleka and that wena o no batla gore tsekeleke ka ditšhelete tse a di kreyang a ikagele ntlo ya gage
Nna ke mmodi ke buletse gore e tsekeleka age le go ena tshwara 40 next year.
yes
And then tsekeleke o mo age grouping ya gore santse a thome motse wa hae. And then right now a kena problem le gore Dr. Malinga o thusa ga botsekeleke it's fine mara ka re tsaka le tsekeleke ditšhelete santse re thomere ka gele motse I'm telling 32 tsekeleke o tena 40 re sa go thoma ra ntsha rufi ya mama ga re fetso ntsha rufi ya mama and then ka bo show let's say maybe e re fetso ntsha rufi la fame ya fela re stakile e chaile wa tlhaloganya and then what I know gore tsekeleke ke last point mshimana ke if ever ra aga mo motseng o wa rena o and then go iragala gore bo lita kwa fela banyana tsekele go santse a buile go gae ke gauteng re rentisa ntlo iwane wa tlhaloganya re ka se rentisa ga botsekeleke ke family house re rentisa ga rena ra tsamaya rona ga bobedi
so yena go botsekeleke ba ba kae
ba le guys please
nna ke nne le bona kwa gae go nna tsekeleke go nna Lydia go nna bana ba Lydia go nna mmaka go nna le papaka le ngwana kwa gae mona nna le nna no nna go botsekeleke ba 7
so tsekeleke ke ne hela bereka o a tlisang tšhelete lapeng
yeah mara mama le papa ngere ba gola le bona Lydia le no golla bana le so nna se ke tlo se bolelang for modimo Black Cat na for nna ya Black Cat a berekela le monna hae nna ke nya go gore mamotlogele ba ge vele ka mo ga bolelang ba plan e irang ke ka lebaka gore tsekeleka a tsene tsona di top tse o tla ke ka lebaka la Black Cat TikTok ke ka lebaka la Black Cat na sa di itse ngwana go ha di dotse na tlo di itsetse go kae na tlo itse go kae tšhelete eo so yona eo ya bona e ba irang a ba ge ntlo ya bona wa hae sentsane go na le batho ba ileng gore vele sentsane ba ntshitse lefoko la gore ba tlo aga
so if a re ka mosho somebody o decide go ntsha go ba fa tšhelete gape and then bone ba decide gore ba go ikagele conclusion as family la support ntwe
I support.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so thank you very much ukuthi nithathe isikhathi senu nize on our show today. It's very important ukuthi nani nikwazi ukuthi nishare the side lane of the story because what we hear on social media is not the truth. And thank you very much Black Cat for loving Tsekeleke, It's not everyone who do that. And Sisi, thank you for the support that you're giving them, coming to studio with them as well. And for everyone that's watching Gumakaya Ngamakaya, thank you very much for taking your time to watch Channel Major TV. You're of course currently tuned on to Going Viral with Matthew Lani, and I was of course your host at Fundi_1 with my co-host Matthew Lani. But for now, bye.
Bye.